It's important to identify your videos correctly. If you don't, you could be subject to up to $42,000+ per violation. Hi, I'm Howard from Crazy Tech and Puppets. And today I want to talk about the new COPPA laws and YouTube requirements. So stay tuned. Because of the FTC fines of $170 million to YouTube and the COPPA laws to protect kids from internet advertising and tracking, YouTube has initiated some new rules starting December 10th. Where you're going to have to identify your videos as either for kids or not for kids. And this is going to be required by January 2020, and if you don't do that, your channel can be eliminated or your videos will be pulled, so you have to identify your videos. There's a couple ways of doing it. This is required by YouTube because of the FTC new rules and laws for COPPA and protecting kids. And this does not only apply to YouTube, but Facebook and Twitch and any other types of media that you're be uploading your videos to. And it's very important to make the selections. It's very important because the FTC will fine people up to $42,000 per video violation. So you have to be selecting what you're doing. And the problem I have is that I use Puppets to do adult parodies on various types of TV shows or other YouTubers. And even though I'm using Puppets that may be for kids, it's adult, and it's kind of crazy. And this is scaring everybody and it's pretty harsh because people can lose their channels or they can lose their monetization. If you select yes for kids, you're going to lose your comments, and you're going to lose certain types of advertising. The followers won't receive notifications, and this is a pretty big deal. And a lot of people who are established YouTubers or making a living off of YouTube are going to lose because there's a lot of channels that have kids stuff in it, like toy reviews and family-friendly channels. And one way to do it is you could select all your videos by going to YouTube Studio Beta, select settings, and under general, and then under advanced. Then once you get to advanced, you can select either yes, these videos are for kids, or no, they're not. And if you select no or yes, it will make all your videos for that, either for kids or not for kids. Or you can go individually and make the selection for some of your videos, but you'd have to do them one at a time, although there's a way to do it bulk, and I'll show you that later. Well, here I'm at my channel, Crazy Tech and Puppets. I've got some tech and puppet stuff. You go to YouTube Studio, and here if you hit settings and hit channel and advanced settings, here you can make a change. Here I've already changed it to no, this channel is not made for kids. You can, if your channel is mainly made for kids, you can click on yes, click save, and that it will change all your videos to yes, set this channel for kids, and click save, and all your videos will be set. Or there's another way to do this. You can go into your videos and you can select them individually by clicking, do several at a time or one at a time by clicking. I clicked on the top three, click edit, click audience. It says 3 videos selected. Click yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids, and then update videos, and then those videos will be set. So if you like this Crazy Tech and Puppet channel, please subscribe. The subscribe button is right over there in the corner.